Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So remember that video that we did, I think sometime last year, when I showed you how this robo advisor uh, 007 worked. I think I basically said I tried to use this platform, but I realized that it had not been updated in quite a long time. So in that video, I basically showed you how you can actually still use it to test your strategy. I'll link the video in the description box below, then you can go ahead and watch that video how you can actually simply use this platform to test your strategies. Here you can just put in the rules of your strategy and basically test them using all these pairs, time frames, and this broker's feed. An example, maybe let me know, just talk. Maybe let me just show you our familiar moving average crossover. We have simple there. We just call it we have our 5 moving average there. We have our 8 moving average there. I'm just using simple values there. Then what we want, this will be for a long entry. This will be for a long entry. The moment we set for a long entry, it will automatically set for the short entry. So here we want moving average slow. What does it say? Fast moving average crosses slow moving average upward. That's what we want. When this happens, you can choose here whether you want exponential or exponential, and then you simply accept. Then short entry, the opposite will be set. Is it set? Yes, it's automatically set. Then you can set rules for an exit. Already you can see that it has been plotted here, the rules, and already it has shown you some back testing. That's what I said is good about this. You can quickly get a back tested results. Let's go back to our strategy. Here you can set rules for exits. Again, moving average crossover. So how do we exit the buys? The buys we want when moving average crosses the fast crosses the slow going downwards to indicate as what a sell condition. Again, we set it 5-8. And as I said here, you can see this thing is changing, and this thing is changing because and this automatically is there because it's actually plotting in everything as we set the conditions. Then here you can set whatever pair that you want to test this strategy on, including time frame, maybe 5-minute time frame, and then here it actually gives you results given a period. Where did we find the period? Here is the date start between 2018 and 2019. Spread was 6 points. That's what it's using. Here you can set the lot sizing to use, as well as how you want it to trade, both longs and shorts, or long only. And I don't know why it's only has long only and not short only option, as well as a stop loss, what you want, as well as take profit, what you want. And you just you follow that video in the description box below to see more about this. But you can see here our crossover robot in that period would not make that much of a profit because it ended up in negative. If we gave it 100,000, not this bars, I don't know where the initial deposit will be. I've forgotten. It has been long since I did that video, but in any case, it shows that we would have lost money if we're going to trade moving average crossover on Euro USD 5-minute time frame during this period using the settings that I used here. Automatically we would have made a huge loss. That's what it's showing us there. So yeah, I said in that video that we probably are not going to use this. You can go through all the stats that this thing is showing. It just was taking losses, as you can see. So here you can basically use this platform. You can basically use this platform to test any strategies that you might have and see if you can get some money with that strategy before you actually can go and try and make it a robot, or even before you can go and try and trade manually with it, because you know that in the long term that strategy is either profitable or it's going to take a loss. So yeah, I thought it was bad that you can no longer use this platform to actually create the robots, because it seems that this particular platform had not been updated in a very long time. But guess what I stumbled upon today? There's a website called forexrobotacademy.com. I'm not affiliated with them, by the way. I'm not affiliated with them, so use them at your own risk. So I discovered this website, EA Builder website as well, and lo and behold, what do they have? Same builder. Basically looks like this unattended website is being used as well here. I tried to use this. Let's just go. You see, same thing that I just showed you here. Same thing. This is no longer updated, this is no longer maintained, but it still works when it comes to what? Testing your strategies. But this one looks like what? It's being maintained, and actually you can actually see, it's actually active. You can actually use feeds from several brokers. I see Markets, FX Open, Darwinex. There's a bunch of broker feeds that you have there, and you just need to create an account to actually do this. So the downside to this, actually, so they go into detail on how to create these robots. You can see they actually go into detail on how this platform works, but it's essentially this platform that I showed you last year. So I stumbled on this. You can actually come and use them here. Now there's a downside that I have to mention. You can register for a 15-day trial to try your robots for free. If we go here, go back to the home page. So here's their pricing. That's what they are charging to create robots using their platform, and you can go through here. Again, I'm not affiliated with them, and I'm not asking you to sign up with them. I'm just showing you what is out there. If you have a good strategy that you want to test, or you want to turn into a forex robot, but you don't want to learn coding, MT4, MT5 coding, here you can just drag and drop. Basically here you are just setting in your conditions, and hopefully you can create your forex robot. So you can come here and you start your 15-day trial. Now why I have not opened an account here is because if we come here and we go for the free trial, basically the free trial, you can sign up or fill in all your details there, and here is where I stopped. For me, I'm not saying you can stop here. If you want, you can proceed. For me, they want credit card details, and they will not bill you. Okay, they will not basically bill you until the 15-day has elapsed, then £98 after that, and you can cancel this order or whatever via email before the 15 days elapse. I've had problems with platforms like this where you sign up and immediately they want your credit card, and they will say you can still cancel your account even before the trial period up. Sometimes it doesn't happen as soon as you want it, and you end up getting charged a charge on your card. That's why I just stopped here. But if you feel you want to give this platform a try, there's no harm in giving them a try. Again, you basically come here and test your strategies. If you're confident, then you can come here and sign up maybe for the 15-day trial for your robot that you believe is profitable. After seeing the results here, then you can quickly turn that 15-day trial and make that a robot. You can export for MT4 and MT5 free during the 15-day trial. Then hopefully you can quickly cancel the account before you get charged. So that probably will be an idea. Come here, test your strategy first here, because it's the same platform. It's basically same platform. If you look at it, it's basically, you go to EA Builder, it's basically same platform. If we come to our generator there, our strategy builder, it's basically same platform. So you just test everything here for free, and then you come here and sign up and just maybe just need 1 day or 2 days to come up with that robot, and then you cancel that free 15-day trial before you get a charge on your bank card. That will probably be an approach. But yeah, I thought let me put it out there because that's what I do. If I find anything that I think is going to be useful for you guys, because I know like you guys, I've learned MT4 programming, I'm learning MT5 programming. It's hectic, and sometimes you are going around in circles and you're thinking, is there not a way that's easier out there? So the easiest way is these EA builders. You can make your own forex robots based on your own trading strategy without paying anybody, without doing any coding whatsoever. Just use these platforms, but use them with an understanding that you are using them at your own risk. So yeah, tell me if you go and test this out, and tell me what you think about them. But yeah, I just thought let me give you an update on that video that I shared last year. Lo and behold, I thought these guys were gone. It seems these guys are now here. It seems they are now here. They are not totally gone. Okay, guys, subscribe if you are new. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.